1704 here, and I'm back with another video. So right now, we're about to go get a puppy. It's gonna be my puppy. That's a girl. We about to go pick her up right now before everything starts shutting down again today. So stay tuned because this is about to be a good vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a long time because I stay in the house a lot. So we about to go get this puppy. And I'm so excited. We already got a dog, and we already got a cat and a turtle. But we're about to get another pet. Let's go. So y'all, we have officially made it to the house with the puppy. So the puppy is over there. I'm about to go check her out. She is really, really cute. So like, I want to cry a little bit because she's just so cute. But I'm not. I'm going to hold in my tears. So I'm about to get out right now. My mom and my little brother already got out. So I'm about to get out and I'm about to get this puppy real quick. All right. She's so pretty. The puppy right here, we didn't give her a name yet, but we chose her out of all of them. It's 3 more left and she's all ours. We did it, best friend. We got the puppy. Are you happy?
Yep.
You are?
Yep.
You sure?
Yeah.
You positive?
Yeah.
You just farted?
No.
Farted, sir. Yeah, this is our baby right here. She is so cute. Yep, but this ain't the end of the vlog. We gotta go get her some dog food and
She's so
stuff.
fat.
Yeah, she's really fat. She
better get pregnant.
Boy, she too young to get pregnant. Yep.
But
This
she's
is
a
our
girl.
puppy. Yeah, I know. But this is our puppy. I also will record the reaction of my other dog to see how he will react to her. So, yep. Welcome home. We about to go get the dog some food. I had to run in the house and get my wallet. Damn, where did I put my wallet? Alright. It was right here. So I had to go get my wallet. I had to come back home and get my wallet. She is really pretty. She is so cute. I can't wait to edit up this video so I can see her. I'm gonna put the pictures at the end of the video. And Selena, you got a sister. Well, she's a dog. A dog. Woof woof. But anyway, the motherfucking good and shit. My mom. But yeah. So like, yeah. We about to go get that dog some food. So we see y'all at the Walmart or whatever store we go to, mate. Goodbye. We made it back home, and this is my dog's reaction to our new dog. And he's licking her butt, and he's trying to hump on her. Because he knows that she's a girl. Who, she like your new baby sister? He's already cleaning her.
He's the brother. Trey, he's the brother and she's the girl.
Stop! Don't do that, Hoops! Get off of her like that! No! She's a puppy! No! You don't do that! No! Move. Alright. This is Fendi. Her name is Fendi. Move, Hoops. This is Fendi.
Calm down, Hoops. Calm down.
This is the new puppy.
Calm down.
Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Swear to
Comment
God,
below.
life, peace, and comment below.
You don't excite me. I could make a whole out your wifey. Jeremy's got up on my toes, act like Shocky. Made her get down on the bottom and she tied me. Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm